Myself Chinmay from Kalagrantha Art Hub. Today we are going to learn Asamyukta Hastas. Do you know what is Asamyukta Hastas? Asamyukta Hastas are single hand gestures. Let's learn. Pataka, Tripataka, Ardha Pataka, Kattari Mukaha, Mayurakyo, Ardha Chandrasya, Arala, Shukatundakaha, Mushtischa, Shikarashchaiva, Kapitta, Kataka Mukaha, Suchi, Chandrakala, Padmakosha, Sarpashirastataha, Mrugashisha, Simhamuka, Kangolasya, Alapatmakaha, Chaturo, Brahmaraschaiva, Hamsasya, Hamsapakshakaha, Sandamsha, Mukula, Tambrachuda, Trishulakaha, Ashtavimshati Hastanam, Evam Namani Vaikramat. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಕೀಪ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್.